Welcome back to the channel where we make Lean Six Sigma simple, powerful, and practical. In today's video, we're diving into a key performance tool in Lean Six Sigma that many professionals overlook: the scorecard. So what is it, how does it work, and why should you care? Let's find out. A scorecard in Lean Six Sigma is a visual management tool that tracks key performance indicators, KPIs, and aligns them with business goals. Think of it like your car's dashboard. It shows you what's working, what's not, and where you're headed. In a Lean Six Sigma project, the scorecard helps you monitor critical metrics, track progress across DMAIC phases, align your team's performance with the voice of the customer, VOC. The beauty of the scorecard is that it tells a story through data. There are different types of scorecards depending on your focus. Project scorecard tracks progress, timelines, and impact. Process scorecard measures things like cycle time, defect rate, and yield. Balanced scorecard, used at the organizational level. This one tracks financials, customer satisfaction, internal process performance, learning and growth. Balanced scorecards are ideal for strategic alignment, especially in lean transformations. Now let's review how to build a Lean Six Sigma scorecard. Here's a simple way to build one. Step 1. Identify CTQs, critical to quality elements. Step 2. Choose smart KPIs. Step 3. Set baselines and targets. Step 4. Define update frequency: daily, weekly, monthly. Step 5. Visualize it. Use dashboards, color codes, trend lines. Use red, yellow, green indicators to show health status instantly. Scorecards aren't just for tracking, they're for triggering action. If a metric goes red, your team knows exactly where to focus. Scorecards bring clarity, focus, and accountability. Without them, you're flying blind. In Lean Six Sigma, you can't improve what you don't measure. Scorecards create a culture of data-driven decisions and continuous improvement. They also keep stakeholders aligned, from the shop floor to the boardroom. So whether you're just starting your Lean Six Sigma journey or managing complex projects, scorecards are your compass. Start small, be consistent, and let the numbers guide your way. Remember, what gets measured gets improved. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, check out our video on Lean Six Sigma toolkits next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more lean insights every week. See you in the next one.